And right here, what I'm doing now is that's my husband. Does his eyebrows. Oh, yeah, doing
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J. Smith here. Today I have a guest on my channel, you guys. This is my hubby.
Hi.
This is Josh. This is my husband.
Barney.
Joshua. Your mother called you Josh.
Yeah.
So today I wanted to do this fun video with my hubby here because I wanted us to talk about the price of beauty. You know, as women, we love taking care of our skin, take care of our face, we love to do the makeup. But yes, we are going to be doing our Mary Kay makeup today, and he's going to guess how much Mary Kay products cost. Sometimes you come across people who think Mary Kay is expensive and some people think it's affordable. So you are going to decide if you think Mary Kay is an affordable makeup brand or if you think it's expensive. Yeah, it's going to be a fun one, and he's goofy as hell. So
I'll be serious today.
yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And if this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you head out.
Hit the like button on the bottom right here.
So yeah, let's jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to be starting off with is my primer. I'm going to be using my Mary Kay primer. It has SPF 15 in it. Do you have any questions as far as what this is? Do you know what a primer is?
Well, yeah, because I have an art degree, so I know you put a primer down on a canvas before you actually start painting.
Yes, actually you are right. I want you to guess how much you think this primer costs.
So I'm looking at it. So it's 1 fluid ounce.
Yeah.
29 milliliters. I would say this is $30.
$30. Okay. It's actually $18.
$18?
Yeah. What do you think about that?
What a deal.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't think of anything that I use for 7 months that lasts $18.
Yeah. See? You think
That's like half a tank of gas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fun fact about my husband, he loves
Looking for
anything
deals.
that's got a good deal on it. Anything, deal wise, he's up for it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's actually $18, and I think that's a pretty good price. So I think that's awesome. So next we're gonna go in with foundation. Okay, so if you guys been watching me on my channel long enough, you know that I mix my foundations. I use my Mary Kay medium coverage foundation, and I use the shade 600. And I've been mixing that now with the Time Wise Matte Wear foundation in bronze 1.
What's my shade? Am I a bronze?
No, honey, I'm a bronze, baby. You're ivory, honey.
I'm an ivory?
Yeah.
Am I an ivory 4?
No, you're an ivory. I think you're an ivory 7. You guys, what shade of ivory do you think he is? Comment down below. I think it's ivory 7.
Ivory 7.
Because it's got the little pink cheeks, pink undertone. His mom wears Mary Kay, by the way.
What's hers? An ivory what?
Ivory 7. I match her ivory 7 during the winter months.
You're an ivory 7 in
Your
the winter?
mother.
Oh!
Don't think we have the same skin tone, clearly. I'm a bronze.
Okay.
Okay, I'm a bronze.
I'm an ivory 7.
Yes, you are. Guess how much you think the Time Wise foundation is.
Are these two separate prices?
There are two separate prices, yes.
1 fluid ounce, 29 milliliters. How long would this last you?
Your foundation can last you a year.
Wow. So do people normally mix? Or no, sometimes people just might be that exact color.
Yeah, that's a good question. I mix my foundation because the undertones have been a struggle for me, so that's why I mix my 600, because it runs a little too dark as far as the undertone. It gets a little too red, but that's why I mix it with the bronze 1 to kind of balance it out. If not, you see that my face will be a little darker than my neck and my chest. Normally, you should have 2 shades of foundation, okay? Because during the winter months, our skin gets lighter. So if you have a customer who's trying to get a foundation, I would always try to let her know that she will eventually end up having 2 foundation shades, because during the summer months, she's gonna get a tan, and get a little dark. And during the winter months, her skin is going to lighten. So ideally, you should have 2 shades of foundation. So how much do you think that foundation is?
All right. I'm just gonna go. I have that number in my head. $30.
$30. Okay. And how much do you think the medium coverage foundation is?
I'm gonna say the medium coverage foundation, because it's not Time Wise. I'm gonna say that is $18.
Why so much different?
Because you always talk about time-wise as like it's like the light shine. It's like manna from heaven. I mean, you can talk about how time-wise is like the fountain of youth, and it's awesome. That's why I'm guessing that time-wise is more expensive.
Okay. So fun facts about the Mary Kay Time Wise Foundation, if you didn't know, it has anti-aging properties in it. Just like how our skincare is anti-aging, the Time Wise Foundation is also anti-aging. It's very beneficial for your skin. Okay, you know how a lot of times you wear foundations and they could make your skin all messed up? The Time Wise is the opposite. Okay, it helps keep you younger.
I am actually figuring out how much per use you're gonna get out of this. So at the end of this, I'm gonna find out how much you spend per makeup session.
Yeah. How
So-
much I wear on my face
Yeah.
every day. So, to answer your question, the Mary Kay Time Wise Foundation is $22.
$22.
And you guess 30. So that's good. You
Yeah.
see, he feels this product is worth $30. Would you say that's an affordable price for a foundation, $22?
And you said that lasts you what, like a year?
A year?
A year?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything is based on individual use.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So based off of a year, you wear makeup 20 days a week. 20 days, 20 days a month, more or less. All right. So just so you know, that Time-Wise costs you 9 cents every time you use it.
I think that's a good deal, don't
That
you?
is a good deal.
Yeah. So you were actually right on the medium coverage. The medium coverage foundation is $18.
Wow.
Yeah, good
All
job.
right.
Yeah.
All right. High five. Stay
High
tuned.
five.
Yeah. All right.
So the medium coverage foundation costs $18 and the Time Wise foundation costs $22. And as you can see, hubby is dissecting the price, okay? When you break it down the way he's doing, as far as how much use you get out of it and how long it lasts you and the skin benefits of it, great deal. I think it's very great. All right, next up, concealer.
Oh.
Do you know what this is?
Yeah, you use that to. My guess is to hide or conceal something.
Okay, that's
Right.
good.
You use it to like hide like pimples and crevices and.
That's right.
Okay, well I don't. Why would you use it? Your face is flawless.
Alright, so yes, this is the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer, and you are right, concealers are used to cover up blemishes, cover up acne scars, cover up dark circles under the eye. I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, okay, just like this. So what do you think about this makeup technique that I'm doing right now?
I think you look like when you put that on there right now, you look like a reverse football player.
How much do you think this product costs?
Because it's in a different container, so I bet you have to pay for the fanciness of all this stuff.
You think that's fancy?
Whoa, yeah, look at this. It's got a little tube and everything. I'm gonna go around the realm of, because everything else is either $22 or $18. So I'm gonna go for $22.
All right, good call.
All right, because I'm just thinking now from a business perspective that you're not going to have so many fluctuating prices. You want to make sure it's the same, just to make it easier to, make change.
Okay, so the Mary Kay Concealer is $16.
What?
Yeah. What do you think about that so far? Like, what do you think about Mary Kay so far with these prices?
Not bad.
All right. So,
6 cents.
yeah, I think the products are pretty affordable.
So far, you have on your face 34 cents.
Okay.
3 dimes and 4 pennies.
So next up is the Mary Kay Translucent Loose Powder. You see how much product's in it?
Yeah, that's a lot. All right.
Yeah. How much do you think that costs?
$16.
$16.
Yeah, I'm going. You know what? You threw me for a loop with the other one, so.
High five.
Oh, did I get it?
You did.
All
Good job.
right.
So next up, I'm going to set my concealer down, set my powder down, everything with the Mary Kay Makeup Finishing Spray by Skindinavia. Do you know what this is?
It's a spray bottle with Mary Kay product inside.
You've probably seen me use this before.
Oh, is this when you
right?
go like this? Is that what it is?
That's exactly what it is. Hold
Okay.
on. Do you understand what this is?
Is it like hairspray for your makeup?
Exactly.
Ooh.
Sort of like hairspray for your makeup. This helps to set your makeup down so it doesn't move, doesn't budge during the day. Okay. Your makeup stays flawless. How much do you think it is?
Well, it's a spray and it's not. Okay, I'm gonna say $8.
$8?
Yeah.
Wow. It's $18.
What? That's outrageous.
This is a new compact American just came out with. It's called American Pro Palette. And these are the new Mary Kay Chromafusion.
Alright.
Colors. So how much do you think the compact itself costs? Because you buy it unfilled.
Okay.
Yeah.
$20.
$20. Okay. Yep. It's actually $25.
$25.
You were close. You were close.
Okay.
$25. Yeah. So he was close as far as the price. And how much do you think each of this eye colors here costs?
Each one individually?
Yeah. How much do you think each one costs?
I'm gonna say $2 each.
$2 each.
Yeah.
So it's $8 per color. And how much do you think these parts are? These are the cheek colors and the contours and the highlighters.
I would say those are $12 each.
You were close.
Oh yeah.
$14 each.
$14 each. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, the eye colors are $8 each, and the cheek colors and the bronzers and the highlighters are $14 each. So I'm gonna do a quick eye look and we're gonna move on to the rest of the face. Yeah, that's what we came up with. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, then comment down below and I will do a separate video. So next is our mineral foundation powder, the Mary Kay mineral foundation powder. And how much do you think it is, babe?
I am gonna say the same amount as the other powder.
Well, this one.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna say $18.
Okay, so you were close. It is actually $20.
$20?
Yeah. The shade I have here is bronze 4, so I'm just going to use a little bit of that. Look at that, guys. Look at that chocolate right there. So, okay, so just like that. I kind of avoided the under eye area. I want that brightness. Okay, I didn't put it under the eye because I want that brightness. So I'm just going to contour real quick using the cocoa powder here. So these two are highlight colors. Do you want to guess where that goes?
Right here on your cheeks.
Oh, there you go. I'm just going to mix a little bit of these two. Just like that. And I'm going to go right on the high point of my cheek. So not on my cheek, right. On the high point. So that when the light hits it, when the sun hits a certain way, it looks like I have an inner glow. You know? Yeah. Look at that. Do you guys see that?
Yeah, it looks like you kind of glow from within when you put it on.
Yeah. Who taught you that? You're learning, right? Would you guys want me to do a video with him doing my makeup? For my blush today, I'm going to let you pick. And I typically like to mix my blushes.
That one?
Okay, he picked hot coral.
Yeah, mix it with this one.
This one, so that's golden copper. So he picked hot coral and golden copper. And what do you know? That's typically the shades I mix with anyway. Yeah, isn't that awesome?
Well, hey.
Place them right here. So I like to place them like in between. Okay, in between the contour and the highlighter. See? Okay, so now that we're done with it, I'm just gonna set my face again. Alright, just a little bit. So do you wanna pick up my lipstick?
Sure.
Pick out lipstick color. I like red.
You do like red?
Yes.
Alright.
He knows me well.
Let's go with this one.
Red? Oh.
They're all red.
It's called red.
Oh, it's called red?
Yeah, it's called red.
Wow, what a beautiful name.
Alright, so the winner is the Red Cream Lipstick by Mary Kay. This color is actually, it's been discontinued. You can still find the shade similar to this in the Gel Cement Shine lipstick. Is that a shade you want?
Well, yeah, I'm committed to it now.
We can always change it.
No way.
You don't want anything brighter?
I am, when I make a decision, I stay with it for the rest of my life.
You talking about me?
All right, how much does that cost? That lipstick costs $8.
It costs $15.
$15. And how long would that lipstick last?
They last quite a long time. Product is all about how often you use them.
Okay, because you don't put on the same lipstick all the time.
Exactly. All right, you guys. So that is it. We're done with the full face of Mary Kay. And yeah, babe, what do you think about it so far?
Well, here it is. So this is way off of the numbers. I was thinking it cost you every time you put on makeup. I thought it was like it costs you're spending like $1.50 as you're sitting there putting on makeup. I was thinking it's like $1.50 that you put on. But if I added up all the stuff that you put on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just the Mary Kay products you put on 14 different Mary Kay products. Okay. And it costs 68 cents.
So it costs 68 cents total.
Yeah. For
this face right here.
Yes, 68 cents.
Okay. And what do you think about that price?
That's a pretty good price. I always measure things by like a cup of coffee. You know, if you go to Cumberland Farms, hashtag Cumberland Farms.
Don't hashtag Cumberland Farms.
That's 99 cents, so it's cheaper than the cheapest cup of coffee. That lasts all day.
That's right, it lasts all day.
If you have any significant other that you're concerned about how much money they spend to put on, 68 cents for all, that's 14 different products. 14 different products she has on her face, and it costs 68 cents.
And I think that's a great deal. So you guys, what do you think about this video today? I hope you had fun watching it. I wanted to show you guys out there that, you know, Mary Kay is an affordable brand. It's affordable, you know, makeup brand as far as the makeup goes. And remember, all these products are made to benefit your skin. They don't clog your pores. They don't irritate the skin. They are very affordable, okay? So they're very affordable. Go shop, you know, in the other stores, other makeup brands or whatever, and you will see that Mary Kay is actually quite affordable. Aren't you glad that this is...
Well, I think you look beautiful without makeup, but that's just me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that would have been 68 cents I would have saved.
That is it, you guys. Thank you for watching today. Okay, I'm putting up with this man right here. Thanks, babe, for coming on my channel.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I had fun. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay? Give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. Every comment, every share helps my channel to grow. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and join the family. And as always, thank you for watching. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.